Hello students, in today's class we are going to study different forms of e-commerce. Now when we say forms of e-commerce, we mean different ways in which e-commerce can be done. So the first form is m-commerce. M-commerce stands for mobile commerce. Now whenever we are doing any kind of commerce using our phones, using our smartphone, then it becomes m-commerce. Okay, so m-commerce is buying and selling of goods and services through wireless handheld devices such as smartphones and tablets. So this is the definition of m-commerce. Whenever you are doing any kind of trading, buying and selling, then it is your m-commerce only when you are using your phones. M-commerce allows us to perform commerce anytime, anywhere. We need not use a desktop or a laptop. We can use our own phones. Okay, so some of the applications of m-commerce are mobile banking, e-bill payment, ticket booking, stock market trading. So these are the various different things that can be done using m-commerce. For each of this application, you have to install an app in your phone and you can perform any of these actions. So for mobile banking, you need an app of your bank. For bill payments, there are various different applications which are available through which you can pay your bills, you can recharge your phones. Ticket booking, you can book flight tickets, you can book your movie tickets. All this can be done using your mobile phone. Okay, so this is about your m-commerce. The next form of e-commerce is social commerce. Now, when we talk about social commerce, we mean that let's take an example over here first. If we are buying a product from say Amazon, after getting the product, we are putting the reviews of that product. What is the product type like? Do we like it or not? Do we recommend this or not? So whenever we are writing these type of reviews, they become a part of social commerce. Okay, so social commerce is a form of electronic commerce that involves social media, online media that supports social interaction. So your reviews will be read by many other people. Based on the reviews and ratings, people will decide if they want to buy the product or they don't want to buy the product. It enables shoppers to give advice from trusted individuals, find goods and services, and then purchase them. So other people, if they are going to buy the goods, they will obviously read the ratings and they'll read the reviews. Based on that, they will take the decision. This can also happen if we are visiting a restaurant. If we are visiting a restaurant, later on we can put a review for that restaurant. Okay, so that all can be done using your social media. Social commerce is use of websites such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter as vehicle to promote and sell products and services. Now what happens is, if I am visiting some restaurant, I will click some photographs. After clicking the photographs, I will paste it on any of the social media. When I am clicking that pictures and I am posting it, along with that, I will put the location. So that location of the restaurant will help others to decide if they want to go or not. Okay. Similarly, many a times you put check-ins. If you all are using some social media app, you put a check-in at this and this place. So these check-ins also will help other people to find out more about the place and they can decide if they want to visit or not. So the success of social media campaign is measured by the degree to which the consumers interact with the company's marketing through retweets, likes and shares. So if a business person is placing their advertisement on a social media and more people are following that. More and more people are tweeting about that. More and more people are sharing that. All this is going to say that this particular business has increased. The business of this organization has increased because of more and more likes and more shares. Now what happens is when more and more people like, through these people, the one who are liking, other people will also come to know about the organization, about the company, about the business. And thus they will have more people coming and giving them more business. Okay. So this is the second form of e-commerce, which is social commerce. Now next, after this, we have to see e-commerce technology. Now e-commerce technology, it can be done in various ways. There are various different e-commerce technologies. Few of them are over here. Now this technologies, what all technologies are listed over here, you have to remember they can be asked for your MCQ 2 marks or 3 marks question. The first one, mobile commerce. This is one of the technology which helps us to perform commerce using our phones. Electronic fund transfer. Very easily you can perform any kind of transactions, money related transactions. You can transfer money from your bank, you can transfer it through any other app, UPI apps, and it is very easy. Next, supply chain management. Now e-commerce is managing the supply chain, the supplier, the wholesaler, the retailer, all that chain is very well managed. Internet marketing. Now on the internet, many times you must have seen ads that are flashing. Okay, so this is one of the e-commerce technology which is being used. Next, inventory management. Using e-commerce only, many of the websites, they are managing the inventory. Inventory means the goods and goods which are managed over there. Now if we talk about Amazon, it is managing its inventory using the e-commerce. Automated data collection systems. Now whenever you are performing some kind of search, automatically that data is collected and it is used for further references. The last one, electronic data interchange. Electronic data interchange means data is exchanged between two business organizations electronically. The last one, that is electronic data interchange, we will see in detail. Electronic data interchange, it is EDI, commonly known as EDI. EDI is electronic interchange of business information using standardized formats. If there are two business parties which are performing business, in that case, they need to exchange information every time. For them, EDI is necessary. They can exchange the information using EDI. Also, a very important thing over here is whenever organizations are using EDI, the format of transfer of information must be standard. There are some set rules defined that you should specify all this in the document. So that must be followed. Business entities conducting business electronically are known as trading partners. So the two entities, two parties which are taking part in the business, they are known as trading partners. Many business documents can be exchanged using EDI. Two common documents are purchase order and invoice. Every time when the organization, when the business parties, they are doing exchange of information, most commonly they have to exchange purchase order and invoice. Purchase order will indicate what all things have been purchased. Invoice will be the bill that is generated for the purchase. Now, each and every document is in standardized form. So, it is same for everyone. Any business organization will have the same format for the particular document. It is computer-to-computer interchange of strictly formatted documents via telecommunications or physically transported on electronic storage medium. So the exchange of data, the exchange of information is happening electronically. Okay? No other method is being used. They are not going to print any kind of data. This is a paperless kind of a technology where the exchange is going to happen only electronically. So it can be via telecommunications, that is via the internet, or physically transported on storage media. Now these physically storage media can be your pen drives. Okay, using pen drives they can transfer the document, but they do not print the document. There is no hard copy of the document. Okay, so this is about your EDI. So you can be asked a 2 marks question on write short note on EDI, electronic data interchange. Okay, so this was one of the technology. Thank you.